This is a video on how to set up your 5-in-1 multi-tool. First, start by attaching the handle using a 4mm Allen key and 4mm bolts. Next, we are fitting the shield and the line trimmer. To fit the blade, use the 3 Phillips screws and screwdriver provided. To fit the shield, remove the nuts off the bolts on the brackets. Loosen the 4mm bolt on the bracket. Place the guard between the plastic bracket and the metal bracket. Locate the 4 bolts through the holes. Tighten with the 4mm Allen key and spanner provided. Now we are fitting the spool. Start by removing the locking nut. This is a left-hand thread. Take off the top collar and spacer. Ensure to leave the thick gold spacer on. Using the 4mm Allen key in the hole on the side of the gold spacer, lock into position and wind on the spool. Ensure this is tightly secured. To remove the spool, insert the Allen key into the hole in the side of the gold spacer to secure into position. Twist to the right to remove. Next, we're going to fit the blade. To start, put the blade on top of the large gold spacer. Then fit the small spacer and the top collar. Next, fit the locking nut. Next, use the 4mm Allen key provided, putting this in the hole in the side of the gold spacer to secure this into position. Then, lock the nut with the spanner provided, turning to the left. Make sure this is tightly secured. Next, we are going to remove the blade. To do this, insert the 4mm Allen key provided into the hole on the gold spacer. Using the spanner, remove the nut. Turn it to the right. Next, we are looking at the setup of the hedge trimmer attachment. Hold the two release clips together to be able to unfold your attachment. Make sure this clicks into place. This shows you how to fit your attachments. Insert your attachment into the shaft connection piece, ensuring that this clicks into position. Tighten using the blue handle. Repeat this process for each attachment. Here we are going to assemble the chainsaw attachment. Ensure that the arrows on the chain are pointing in the correct direction. Put the chain around the chain bar. Then fit the chain and chain bar to the gear assembly. Next, fit the tension adjuster cover. Make sure that all locating pins align as shown. Loosely tighten the blue handle. Then adjust the chain tension using the chain tension roller. Then fully tighten the blue handle.